So in today's video, we're going to guide you through the Askling protocol of exercises for hamstring strain injuries. These are absolutely superb exercises and must be used in your rehab plans for your patients with hamstring strains. So if you're ready to check them out, let's dive in. So these brilliant exercises designed by Carl Askling are brilliant for hamstring strain injuries, and they focus on a couple of really key components. Number one, strengthening the hamstrings, but number two, and most importantly, eccentric loading whilst the hamstrings are lengthening towards their full range of stretch. They're really important and can really be used to improve the tolerance of the hamstrings to the classic mechanisms of injury for the hamstrings when they get strained, which is pretty much when they're on a stretch when an individual is using the hamstrings at speed. So, there are three key exercises that we're going to look at here: the extender, the diver, and the glider. So first we have the extender. Here the patient lies supine, holding their own hip at 90 degrees, before slowly and actively extending their knee to the point that they feel comfortable. This is going to help with lengthening the hamstrings, particularly with the hip in a flexed position, which is so important when we think about the hamstrings mechanism of injury. This is done slowly and with good control. However, we can progress this to a faster speed over time to make it more difficult, as you can see here. And the protocol suggests completing this exercise with 12 reps over 3 sets twice a day. Then we have the diver, where your patient stands on one leg, extending the knee towards full range before placing their hands forward and leaning forwards as if diving. You'll see that the back leg moves up into the air behind the patient as close to horizontal as possible. This is a fantastic exercise for improving eccentric control and can be progressed by increasing the speed and the distance reached within the exercise. And the protocol suggests completing this with 6 reps over 3 sets every other day. Finally, we have the glider, a fantastic exercise. Here, your patient stands holding onto a solid support like a barbell fixed in place. Their injured leg stands forwards with the toes up, so the patient is weight bearing through the heel, before they slide their unaffected leg backwards, which is going to stretch the hamstrings and requires lots of eccentric control. This is definitely a challenging exercise, but it can be progressed by reaching further back with the unaffected foot or doing the exercise with more speed. And the protocol suggests completing this with 4 reps over 3 sets every 3rd day. So everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you have, please support us by smashing that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you want more resources for physiotherapists, check out our Instagram account @ClinicalPhysio, which has loads of brilliant things for you to look at. And if you want more on hamstring strains, we've got a brilliant hamstring injuries webinar on our membership platform, member.clinicalphysio.com. You can check out the link in the description below. My name's Khalid. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon here on Clinical Physio.